How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. If you are currently using the business account or the professional account, then here's how you can switch to normal or personal account. Right now, my account is a personal account, so let me just quickly transform it to professional account. For that, go to your settings and activity and scroll down. Go to account types and tool, then select switch to professional mode. Simply follow the prompts and your account will be changed to professional account. Now let's reverse the process. Click on the 3-line icon at the top right corner. If you scroll down, then you will find a section called Professionals. Under that, you will find the option Creator Tools and Controls. Click on that and at the bottom side, you will see Switch Account Type. Now select Switch to Personal Account. Again, confirm your choice by clicking on Switch to Personal Account. It will just take some seconds, and just like that, you have switched to personal account. So that's all for today. Thank you.